Alright, for a Sunday afternoon, I think I'm going to try to work on our coffee table. As you can see, she's been abused. I'm going to sand her down and see what I can do to make her look better. Alright, update. I found out this is just a particle board underneath there. So I'm going to bust it out. Sides are real, but middle, not so much. So I'm going to get to busting it out, get it gutted, and put something else in there. Alright, got the middle out, and got the edges sanded. Now we just need to find something to put in the middle. I do have some of that. Alright, got the subframe in. Now I'm fixing to chop this up and see if we can't get a top on this bad boy. Dark is setting in, so we might be working by my little light over there. Alright, got the inlay of pallet material. Now offset the nails that were used to hold it together. Kind of like that. I'm keeping them in there. And now I got to decide what I'm going to do to finish it. But she looks good. Way different. And here's what I decided to do with it. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of burn. See how she comes out. She's cooking. Alright, got a little burn on her. Burning is kind of unique. I mean, you can choose whatever pattern you want to, place the probes however you want to, and get the design you want. I think this is going to turn out pretty good. All I got to do now is sand it down, and then I'll get the detail of the burn after sanding, and then put a clear coat on it. That's my plan.
Where is my charger? Oh, Jesus.
Alright, got the burn done right now, and I sanded in some highlights. And there you go. That's it. Pallet material and some electricity and some sanding, and she looks way better than she did. Now I'll put a clear coat on her and call it done.